Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to simply anything to any window in DaVinci Resolve. Now, this is actually fairly easy to do. It's actually pretty easy. All you do is hit Shift Z. Okay, let's say you have a real you're zoomed out all the way to see something. You don't want to have to use the slider all the time. You just want simple command tricks, right? Simple keyboard tricks. So just hit Shift Z, and then it will automatically get your timeline exactly the way you want it. Now you can do a similar thing with the previewer, but for the previewer to do it, instead of holding Shift Z, you are just going to press Z, and then bada bing, bada boom, you have it there. I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys for stopping by. Hopefully you guys found it helpful. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.